If the device remains on the connecting screen, Method 1. Completely close the app, then reopen it. Method 2. Temporarily turn off unnecessary wireless devices nearby to reduce interference. If the issue continues, Method 3. Restart the camera. Method 4. Restart your phone. Method 5. Uninstall and reinstall the app, and then follow the connection steps again. Slow or failed wake up. Keep your phone close to the camera. If the camera's indicator light flashes several times and then turns off, the battery may be too low. Charge the camera before attempting to connect again. If a black screen appears after successful wake up, simply return to the home page and re-enter. After changing the connection password, you need to return to the home page and reconnect to the camera. If the live video is delayed or freezes, open the app settings and change the image quality mode to smooth. S4W is a magnetic Wi-Fi camera that allows you to view the live image directly on a compatible smartphone or tablet. If the issue continues, contact the AUTO-VOX support team before returning the product or leaving feedback. Please provide your phone model, operating system version, and a clear description of the issue. Our support team will help you find the appropriate solution as quickly as possible.